Hello, good morning, everybody. How are you? After a long time, we can start now the chapter 2 in our science. Its name is Adaptations in Plants. Before going to discuss this chapter, we should know the two important terms adaptation and habitat. First, we have to discuss what is the habitat. Okay, habitat is a place where the living things or living beings live comfortably and do all their life activities without any disturbance and interact with the non-living part of the environment. That place is called habitat. After habitat, we can discuss the adaptation. Now, adaptation is the some special features which developed by the living beings in their body to survive in the adverse condition when they are not get a favorable condition in their habitat. That type of the development in their body is called as adaptation, means they are adapted to the adverse condition for their survival. In that habitat and adaptation, according to the habitat, all the living beings are divided into two parts. Basically, in this chapter, we will discuss only the plants. Okay, so it's mean aquatic plant and terrestrial plant. The plants are classified into two main groups. The plants which are grow on the land, they are called terrestrial plant, and the plant which are grow in the water are called aquatic plant. First we will see aquatic plant. Aquatic, as you know, the aquatic, aqua means water. Okay, so this word come from aqua, that's why it is called aquatic plants. The plants that grow in water are simply called as aquatic plants. And there are three types of the aquatic plants. Some plants are floating on the water, they don't fix to any part of the water. Another one is the fixed water plant or fixed aquatic plants. And third one is the underwater plants. Means aquatic plants are classified into three groups. First one is the floating aquatic plants. Second one is the fixed aquatic plant. Third one is the underwater aquatic plants. Understood? First we will discuss the floating plants. Among the aquatic plants, some aquatic plants which are not fixed at one place. They are float on the water due to their small size and light bodies. Example, Olphia, Pistia, duckweed. Other side, some plants have a swelling on their leaf stalk, which is which are filled with air. This make the plants light and keep them afloat on the water. Means at the base of leaf there is the swollen part that is filled with the air to make them light and keep them afloat on the water. Example is water hyacinths. Fixed aquatic plant. In this section or in this group we will see the aquatic plant which are fixed at one place. It's mean how they will fix? They will fixed by the root. The root of that aquatic plant which go to the bottom of the pond or the water body and fixed to the soil. The stem of those plants are hollow, light and flexible. The leaves are broad and flat with a waxy coating that is called cuticle. They float on the surface of the water. As you saw, the some plant like lotus or water lily, these are the example of fixed aquatic plants. This is the This is the last group of this section, means in aquatic plant which are totally under water. Sometimes they are called as merged water plant, means they are totally remain inside the water, so they are called underwater aquatic plant, and they are also fixed to the soil at the bottom of the water body. With the help of their roots, their stems and leaves remain fully under water. That's why they are called as underwater plants. The leaves are small and ribbon like. The stomata are absent in these plants. This is very important point. Carbon dioxide enters and oxygen comes out of the leaves through the general leaf surface. Example of such plants are Hydrilla, Vallisneria. Vallisneria is also called as or commonly called as tape grass. See the picture Hydrilla, an underwater plant. So you have two example here, very important, tape grass.